Hello, and thank you for your interest in the Riley County Sexual Minority Program for LGBTQ Health, brought to you by the Riley County Health Department. My name is Matthew Rakowski, and I will facilitate. We will begin with a brief introduction on what LGBTQ plus health is and why it is important to us. The Minority Stress Framework shows that poorer mental and physical health can be expected in this community as they feel that they have less access and there is less utilization of healthcare facilities. This may be due to prejudices, stigmas, or discrimination. And in order for a more equitable health for all, we should strive for sensitive health promotion, cultural sensitivity training for providers, and intervention focused research. An overview of this presentation will answer our 5 W's. We're going to get into the rationale and mission, which will answer why and what, our goals, objectives, and interventions. Will answer how, when, and who, which will also be answered through resources and the benefits. Now, studies continue to come out that disparities with this community are real and rates of STIs for the youth continue to climb. The mission of our program is to be inspired by Christ's teachings to provide sexual health interventions for vulnerable youth by use of confidential communications to ensure privacy and personal dignity of youth within Riley County, Kansas. Riley County is a healthy county driven by the university and Fort Riley Army Base. We've identified sexually transmitted infection as our health indicator and feel that increased screenings for sexual minorities will help reduce these rates. Our objectives that line up with our goals. We chose to use semesters as Kansas State University is our primary target, but the Army's change of station schedule roughly aligns with the semester schedule, so it'll work. As you see, we need to get providers, we need to get participants screened, treated, rescreened, and then continue to expand the program. As I've just mentioned, there is a heavy focus on KSU's LGBTQ community, where we will lean on the leaders of campus organizations. Primary and most important intervention is the text message survey, as this would give the feedback in order to generate the other programs. Riley County Health Department would provide data collection and encourage screenings, treatment, and counseling for the participants, while also providing the providers with sensitivity training to better serve the community. Here you can see the logic model of the program, which is really driven by improving relations between the community and health providers, thereby breaking that stigma and increasing the self-worth of the sexual minorities that we are serving. Social capital theory stresses a community aspect which would be developed as the leaders of the community would show that they are all about setting a standard of trust for everyone involved. The IMB skills model will be implemented through these leaders. You provide feedback and work the program. A healthier community would be developed through understanding and acceptance, which would also help to get rid of those prejudices, stigmas, and discrimination that we previously mentioned. How can you be involved? Promote the program, get people taking the survey, get your friends screened, treated, and provide us some feedback on leveraging the KSU connections for interns, volunteers, donated space, while county emergency services will provide the texting service and other health department programs for office or lab material. Conclusion, it's a fluid program depending on text responses to assess the needs and further develop resources to improve our sexually transmitted infection rates.